welcome back to the Jacob Crypto Bury channel. Today we're looking at some shitcoins that are moving fast. And let's face it, shitcoins, meme coins are still making a lot of people a lot of money. So let's follow the trends, let's see where the cash is flowing. And this website right here is Dex Tools, and this is where you want to actually go to find different coins that are trending on different ecosystems. And I'm just going to quickly show you, just so you guys know exactly where I look to find these coins, because I thought it would be just nice to help you guys out. So on dextools.io, you go to the Pair Explorer, and what's really interesting is actually you can click in the top left corner, you can look at a load of different chains where you've got different sort of meme coins or shit coins deployed on, and at the top of the screen you can see the trending Ethereum, BNB or Arbitrum. So if you clicked on BNB chain, we're going to see the trending BNB coins at the top as well, and you can see loads of insightful things. So that's how you do it. Before we crack on in the video, guys, I just want to remind you I do have a Patreon page, and if you want to get into our crypto Discord, which is Jacob Crypto's clan, by the way, we've got a ton of exclusive benefits that you can enjoy, learn, thrive, grow, excel in the crypto markets. For example, like the crypto legend category here, you're going to get 7 technical analysts, which will give you insights around leverage signals, spot trading signals. You're going to get free ebook, Glassnode data. You'll also get messaging if you need it. You're going to get inside info around pre-sales, and also like early access to all the whitelisting and the big calls. So if you want to get into the Discord, this is how it looks right here, guys. I know it's a bit of self-advertising, but it's the only way we grow sometimes. But yeah, like here's the Wall Street memes tab. Here you've got loads of different signals from some analysts. If you want those entries, take profit, stop loss zones, all that juicy stuff, check out the Discord down below. So let's crack on with the video. This one here is pumping like wild right now. I mean, I've never seen a coin just have such a textbook looking chart, and it is crazy. They've got 623 holders. This coin is called Planet, and the website is quite an interesting one. I mean, when you click onto Dex Tools through the website, that is obnoxious, isn't it? That is annoying. So we're probably going to close this website, but we can see it's a straight to Dex. I don't know if you can hear me, everyone. It's a straight to Dex launch, and it's a cute little goat just walking on a planet. So here is the Twitter. Like I say, 528 followers. Now, none of this is sponsored, by the way. This is extreme high risk, and I would not even be comfortable putting more than $100 into some of these coins, and that's why they are shit coins. Because if you try 10 different coins, one does miraculously do 100x, you've made a lot of money from a small amount of money. But right now we can see this coin is pumping, the Planet token. It is up a lot. Oh yeah, really a lot. But we're looking at over 10x, and they've got 623 holders, which isn't really that many, to be honest. Not many holders, considering most of these coins blast off way over 1,000. We can see we are starting to get some support and resistance trend line. You can see we've got a lot of support along this particular region. So if this Planet token pumps through 0.000047, there's a chance it could pump higher, which would be really, really cool if it did. So Planet token is one that I'm looking at the moment. I can't tell you if it's going to 100x, I don't truly know, but these are just coins that are worth speculating upon and having a little look at, because they're pretty fun. The next one is WFAI. We're seeing a lot of sort of anime, Japanese sort of themed coins at the moment. This one here says, delve into the mesmerizing world of waifu AI, where the boundaries between reality and fantasy blur, uncovered profound secrets, forge transcendent connections, and immerse yourself in the extraordinary. That is pretty awesome, isn't it? These coins are gaining a lot of traction. I don't know what particular demographic is buying them or what regions, in terms of across the globe. It'd be interesting to know. But yeah, this coin is pretty crazy. So you buy it on, MetaMask like usual. But it's interesting. It looks like it's inspired by the ladies token. Pretty cool. We can see on the Dex Tools, of course, we were just looking there, but looking at the chart, they've got 1.1k holders, and the price is still pumping. And I think, with a market capital of just 65 million, which is actually quite a lot, to be honest, still a chance that it could pump 2, 3, 4x, in the near future. Not entirely sure. Might wait for a cool down, but looking at the overall sentiment, it's looking pretty much buy heavy at the moment for this token. So there's another one, the Waifu AI token, which could be worth looking at. Another shitcoin that is pumping in the markets. This one here has an $8 million market capital with already 3.78k holders. Now what really stands out for this coin is the corrective phase. It has now corrected, as we can see. The price has come down quite significantly, and it does look like it's sort of printing a descending triangle. We can see we're getting the lower sort of supports and resistances, sorry, the lower resistances, but we are still printing a very horizontal looking support. So there's every chance that this is a bit of a double top position here. So do be on the lookout for a potential drop down to these lower support regions of 0.0 to the power of 5, 7 or something like that. So there is every chance this could drop lower, but if the bulls do bite back, then we'll see potentially a pump for this particular coin as well. So that is the BLCOIN or BL, I have no idea how you say that. Website looks just terrible. Just terrible. I don't know how else to say it. Just looks absolutely shit. But yeah, guys, this is what I mean. This is very risky play, and I'm not even buying these ones with my own. Yeah. Wow. Okay, now I might just buy this coin. You know, I'm feeling ready. So yeah, but they've got some videos. It looks like they may have partnered with some charities already. How do we turn this off? I can't turn it off. We're stuck. Bye. There's another coin you can look at, boys and girls. The next one is MONGCOIN. Now, this is interesting. This trading pattern here is interesting because, you know, traditionally it's kind of looking like a falling wedge. Very, very harsh, you know, capitulation, and we're seeing the price violently drop, but it is starting to look a bit like a falling wedge, which is actually typically a bullish reversal pattern. This coin has 18,000 holders already, Mong, and the market cap is already 18 million, so realistically 2, 3, 4, 5x at best from the current price level. However, looking at this particular price structure, it does lead me to think, okay, is it a good time to be getting into the coin? I can see there's a bit of resistance here. If we do get the breakout from this rising wedge, we're looking at around a 43% pump, but I don't know if the risk to reward ratio is okay, or, you know, decent enough for me to actually get into it. But that is what I'm looking at. Another take profit target would be pretty much around this region over here. And again, is it enough? 88%. Is the risk to, you know, reward ratio fruitful enough for me to go and risk? I'm not really sure. But these are some coins that could still return. And if we look at the macro scale here, you know, we could pull up our fibs, we could pull this down. That came up to the 0.382 on the prior pump. So there is still speculation that looking at this corrective phase, that the coin could come back up to the 0.382, which would take it to around a 200% increase in price. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but we're using the fib extension tool here to kind of gauge the resistances along the impulses that we're seeing. So we're getting the capitulation, we're getting the dumps, we're getting the smart money flow back in. They buy the coin nice and low, it pumps, then they sell again. It's coming down, so we might be anticipating that next pump for the MONGCOIN, which is this one right here, a Mong's culture, a DeFi degen basically. So yeah, there are a few different shitcoins that are potentially could move in the future, but remember, this is just super risky degen play. And I definitely don't know what the future entails for these particular coins. So please do not risk more than you can afford to lose. And it is not financial advice. We're just trying to follow some fun trends in the market right now. Remember, there is also the Wall Street memes pre-sale that you can take a little look at in your spare time. Already raised $1.8 million. And I do actually hold $3,000 worth of the WSM token. There is a link right down below that you can check out in your spare time. So please have a look at it and also do your own research on the token. It's got a massive Twitter following already of over 200k followers, and there is a good chance we're going to see this list on multiple tier 1 centralized exchanges. So thanks so much for watching the video, guys. That is probably a wrap with this video. And remember, if you are new to the channel, do consider becoming a patron, which helps us grow, helps the Discord grow, and it allows us to keep making some more juicy content. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.